Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can draw trend channels for trading MCX crude oil. And for this, we are using 3-minute candlestick chart. We had drawn few trend channels for yesterday market to identify the trend for yesterday's trading. Let's see the performance, how it had helped the traders to identify the trend for the particular day. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the trend channels whatever we had drawn in yesterday's market. We consider that this market will follow this trend. If you want to know how we had drawn these trend channels, please go back to our YouTube channel and see the playlist. We expected the price to stay along with this trend. So if the market is moving on the upside, if the price is very aggressive, the market will maintain this buying trend. Now I'm going to enlarge this scale so that let's see what happened in few areas. Now you could see that after the opening the price found resistance at this line and it straight away came down and stopped in this area, and it resulted in a breakout. This particular zone of support line provided a decent support and tried to push the price down, and you could see our trend line is acting as a resistance. On many areas it acted as a resistance. Finally the price found a support here and the price moved up and closed here. So we could see how the trend lines, these diagonal lines acting as a support and resistance. So yesterday this particular line had provided us some support for identifying the trend. The another trend line which we had drawn focused on identifying the trend uptrend. So this midline, the price could not withstand the midline, and if I enlarge the scale you will have some clear idea what happened here. So whenever the price is testing this midline, you could see it was acting as a support here. Finally a breakdown resulting in a price to fall. So that's the purpose of drawing this midline, but still the price could not test the bottom line. So 5060 acted as a support. So to a certain extent we could say the market showed some weakness on the buying side by the use of these trend channels. So the next trend channel also here we focused on this particular day zone. The price broke the midline and it's identified that the market momentum is shifting towards the selling side for particular day. So in this way we would have used these 3 trend channels. Now let's see how we can draw the trend channel for today. So we had added and drawn a trend channel. So how we had drawn the trend channel, the yesterday's high, we had connected the two yesterday's high matched with the midline. We could see if the price is moving down, the market should maintain this downtrend, and also today the price is expected to open somewhere near 5080. So this midline is of great importance, covered by the bottom support of 5060. The price will be trading within this triangular area. A breakdown below or breakout above will result in certain trade entries. So the bottom support is going to be this red line. So if the price can break this, it will result in short term selling. So this is the only downtrend we could identify. So this is the first trend channel which we feel that it will be of great use for today. The second trend channel, you could see it's a uptrend channel. We had connected the two lows that was created in the yesterday's and the day before yesterday's trading session and matched with the midline, and you could see we had matched with the support line here that had happened on the day before yesterday and on 2nd of this month. So today the price is expected to open somewhere in this zone, so the price should push itself to move towards this trend so that it can continue its buying. If it is finding resistance, then it all means that there should be some short term selling. So in that way we hope that this will be of some use for traders. The final trend line is trend channel. You can draw as this trend channel, and we feel that it's a critical and quite useful trend channel because if I decrease the scale you will appreciate see the price is maintaining some short term trend within this channel. Now you could feel that the price moving on the upper band here Now the price is moving on the lower band. Expected the price to break the lower band, then it will result in selling. In order for the price to maintain its buying, it should maintain 5060 support, and this blue line is very critical. So it's a very important trend channel that will be of very good use for you today. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos, and we will update the performance tomorrow. Happy trading, take care, bye.